Need a temporary bathroom without traditional plumbing? Upflush toilets might be the solution. Let's explore their pros and cons to see if they're right for you. What is an upflush toilet? An upflush toilet uses a macerator and pump to grind waste into a slurry and pump it uphill through smaller pipes to the main sewer line. This makes it ideal for areas where gravity-fed plumbing isn't an option, like basements or second-story bathrooms. Unlike regular toilets, which rely on gravity, upflush toilets use mechanical power, offering a flexible solution for non-traditional spaces. Advantages of upflush toilets for temporary bathrooms. Upflush toilets excel in locations where traditional plumbing isn't feasible. Their biggest advantage is flexibility. They can be installed in spaces like basements or construction sites without needing extensive plumbing work. This can save both time and money compared to traditional installations, which often require tearing up floors or walls. These toilets are easy to install, and many models are portable, making them perfect for temporary setups in places like seasonal homes or construction zones. Additionally, their compact design saves space, making them ideal for small or tight areas where every inch counts. Cost-wise, while the upfront cost of an upflush toilet may be higher than a standard toilet, the savings on installation can make up for it. You avoid the costly and time-consuming process of setting up a traditional plumbing system, which can be especially beneficial in temporary bathroom setups. Limitations of upflush toilets. The main downside of upflush toilets is their reliance on electricity. Since they use a pump and macerator, they can't function during power outages unless you have a backup power source. This may be an issue in areas with unreliable power. They also tend to be noisy due to the grinding mechanism, which might be disruptive in shared or quiet spaces. Regular maintenance is necessary to keep the pump and macerator working smoothly, as neglect can lead to clogs or malfunctions. Another factor to consider is the higher upfront cost compared to gravity-fed toilets. Though installation savings may offset this, it's still a factor to weigh when planning your budget. Ideal scenarios for using an upflush toilet. Upflush toilets are perfect for spaces where traditional plumbing is impractical. They're great for basements, attics, and second floors where installing standard plumbing would be expensive. They also shine in construction or renovation sites, offering an immediate bathroom solution while plumbing is being completed. Remote locations like cabins, tiny homes, or seasonal properties benefit from upflush toilets, as they eliminate the need for expensive plumbing changes. Additionally, they're ideal for temporary bathroom setups at events or in homes undergoing renovation. Their portability and easy installation make them versatile for many situations. Upflush toilets provide a flexible, cost-effective solution for temporary bathrooms in non-traditional spaces. Consider their pros and cons to determine if they're the right fit for your setup.